Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, one of the colder nights we're going to see all winter long, the way things are shaping up. Temperatures heading down into the upper 20s to lower 30s, as low as the low to mid 20s across central Louisiana, with the possibility of freezing fog as you go farther north and west. And here, let's take a look at what we're going to have as we look at the satellite imagery. And we're seeing the clouds clearing out pretty nicely. Now, if you clear out, now depending on where you are in Acadiana, it's going to clear out, temperatures are going to drop, the wind's going to diminish, and then fog is going to form. But if the clouds hang on, say perhaps over towards St. Martin, Iberia, St. Mary Parish, you're not going to see the temperatures we're forecasting. But right now it looks like we're seeing that clearing ever so slowly from the north to the south, and it looks like we'll clear out in Lafayette. Should see some stars out there between about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning if you're brave enough to go outside with the temperatures we have going on. Hard freeze warning for central Louisiana, and including Avoyelles Parish, for temperatures tonight dropping down to 23 to 28 degrees. Not a major pipe buster, but certainly plants and pets for all of us. But the possibility of some outdoor plumbing threats as you get into central Louisiana, as temperatures already at the freezing mark there. So as we go through the nighttime hours, we'll see the clouds clear out, but fog developing. The model now, this is the latest model run just coming in, showing best chance of fog across central Louisiana and then down into southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana. And if the fog is thick enough, you can have what's called freezing fog. It's very abnormal to see that with a north wind here. If we had moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico and fog and temperatures quite cold, maybe a different story. But nonetheless, if it's foggy enough and the temperatures are at dew points long enough, you can get slippery roadways. So get up early tomorrow to check the roadways and GMA first thing in the morning in case we get any of those reports. Not expecting that here in Lafayette, but we'll see how it plays out. And I think we do see some light fog at the very least as temperatures chill out. Also depends on if the winds diminish enough, and we think they're going to get pretty low by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, though, chilly conditions. Sun comes back out, temperature topping out near 50. We go into tomorrow night, another upper level disturbance coming on through. So some clouds. That'll keep us closer to the low to mid 30s, but still some frost by morning, and frost by the way for tomorrow morning as well. Wednesday afternoon, we'll call it cool instead of chilly or cold, 58 to the high. And then as we head into Thursday morning, still chilly, but Thursday afternoon, southwest winds ahead of our next front. We're going to get into the mid to upper 60s, but don't get used to it. This front will chill us down for Friday into the weekend. Now, as for the fog, here's the graph model forecast on the fog. You can see it's going for thickest stuff up across central Louisiana, western Louisiana, eastern Texas. This is at 2 o'clock in the morning, and then some of that thicker fog descends farther to the south. Notice the visibility not too low across the I-10 corridor, but can't count on that. If you clear out and the winds die down, we're going to see fog and frost as well. So it's going to be a foggy, frosty start to our Tuesday, with temperatures dropping down as low as the low to mid 20s northern parishes, 26 Ville Platte, the same in Opelousas. A little bit of a wind chill as winds will diminish farther to the north. A little bit more wind as we get to the south, but not much. We've adjusted our low to 29 in Lafayette, Crowley, and Cecilia, and then upper 20s to near 30 for coastal parishes. So everybody is seeing a light freeze. Not a pipe buster, but certainly take care of the plants and make sure the pets have a warm place to stay next couple of nights, mind you. Tomorrow getting up to 50 with that sunshine in the afternoon. We go to Wednesday morning, temperatures low to mid 30s with a chance of frost again, so the plants need to be covered through tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon upper 50. So a cold night ahead, breezy early, clearing out, then the fog sets in, so frosty fog by morning. 29 the low will go for in Lafayette, 50 the high tomorrow. At least the sun will be back for the afternoon, and that is the good news after any fog or leftover cloud cover burns off. Wednesday looks to be a mostly sunny day. Beautiful weather as we finish out the week. Notice we get up to 68 on Thursday, 50s with another freeze or two as we go into the weekend. This front's going to have Arctic air with it, but just a glancing blow. It's mainly going to be east of our area, and then the next weather system could bring us rain as we go into the early part of next week. This part of the forecast always subject to change in the wintertime, as we know how things change around here, and right now it's changing for the cold.
I'd say so. Yeah, frosty fog. We haven't heard that one in a
yeah,
while,
it's a little different for here.
All right, thanks, Rob.